I use Google for Inbox for Google on my phone and on my computer. I love it. It's replaced regular Gmail for me, and it's also by Google, so it syncs really simply. If you see this little icon down in the bottom, the little blue envelope, that is Inbox for Google. And what it does is it sorts everything. You can set reminders on your calendar, whatever it comes up. You can schedule things, reschedule things. It groups your promos. So right now it shows promos right here. And these are the promos that are in my current inbox. I can, if I want to see something like the Children's Place, maybe I'm like, oh, you know what, I'm going to go there tomorrow. I can click on that, highlight it, put the little check box in there, and hit this little clock. And I'm like, okay, remind me tomorrow about that promo. And now it's gone. It's gone out of my inbox. It'll come up tomorrow when I actually want to have something to do with it. Then these other two, I don't want them, right? So see how they're still grouped? I can hit this check block right up here and they just go away. Chaperones needed for February. Okay, let's see. Do I... definitely not going to go as a chaperone to this thing. So I'm going to just hit the check block and that's going to go away. Now, if I thought I might address it again later, I could hit that little timer and snooze that email until a day that I want to get busy with it, right? So check and gift to Janie. Well, I've already sent a gift. I still need to send her a check. My daughter vomited in her car, and the cleaning bill was like $90, and I want to pay that. So I am going to do that today. Actually, I have time to do that today. This gifts to Tony and Mikey, I do have time to do that today. I'm definitely not going to be working on the flyers for the preschool pictures. So I'm going to time that. We will see if I have time to get to that on Friday. I'm going to pick a date and time. Friday. Now, I might not be able to. Okay, pick a time, 6 a.m. I'm going to set that for custom. Set it for 8 o'clock. I do not want to see that at 6 o'clock when I'm trying to hustle out the door. Okay, that's saved. Now look, it's gone out of my inbox. This images for global graphics. This is something I need to do for a company. I'm definitely not going to do that until at least next week. So let me go ahead and snooze that one too. Let's see. Next week. So Monday at 6 a.m. that's going to pop up back in. This one, I've kind of got that done. I'm halfway done with that. I don't need that in my reminders anymore. So now that's gone. So these two things I'm going to get to today. They're the only two things in my inbox now. My inbox is clear. But the fact that it groups things as promos, you can look at that whole promo thing, hit the little check on a promos, and all your promos, all your advertisement emails just disappear. Now we sign up for those because there's things in them we might want. So you can scroll down the list and see if there's something. But if there's not, get rid of them. They're just taking up space. If it's something you know you need to get to, set a timer on it. When do I want to see this again? When do I want it to remind me that I have this? Most of the stuff that we leave in our inboxes are things we think we need to get to. I need to get around to doing that. Well, pick a date and time. Get organized. Pick a date and time that I'm going to address that. And then if it comes up and you're like, oh my gosh, I'm in the middle of too much. I can't do this right now. Maybe tomorrow. Then snooze it again. Set a new date and time tomorrow. But if you keep giving yourself deadlines, you can get rid of those out of your inbox and like clear your headspace. Google can sort it all for you. It is a beautiful thing.